Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device and then tap on the Get Started button. You will now see the register option. Just tap on this to sign up and create a new account. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address and tap on the next button. You will now be asked what kind of account you would like to open. Choose your preferred account type and then select your country or region. Then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the send code button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this code. Go ahead and type in this verification code within the given box and then tap on the continue button. You will now be allowed to create a password for your account. Type in your preferred account password and then tap on the register button. And now you will have the option to set up biometrics as well as a passcode. Use either one of the option that you choose and you will be allowed to create your profile. After entering your address and your personal information, you will be signed up to your Wise account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.